This is like the most cliche car guy picture they do on Instagram.
Stock wheels are so ugly.
We got a new shop car.
Oh, you got the convertible?
Are you kidding me?
What? What's wrong with the convertible?
G-bags, bro.
You don't like convertible either?
Hell no.
Hell no.
Don't ever get a convertible, especially if it's not a sports car.
I like the color of the wood. Do you get to pick the wood, or how's that work? So what kind of wood is this? Is this like pin oak, live oak, river oaks, post oak? We got a new shop car. So when we went to Chicago not too long ago, we went and looked at this Rolls Royce that you guys see here in front of me, and we got it. It's ours now. What does this have? It has a bunch of stuff. I don't know. I don't care to read this stupid paper. Total retail suggested price, $401,000. Oh, CD DVD player? I've only heard about that stuff. So let's do a quick walk around of this thing. Here's the front. I mean, it looks really nice, you know, very Rolls Roycey. You got the spirit of ecstasy here, you know, doing her thing. Doors opened up like so. We've had another Rolls Royce before where I think the wood was like a lighter color. This is like a nice darker color. It just looks really good with the black leather. It looks more serious. Plus, I think we're planning to do a blacked out theme on this Rolls. I'm not sure yet. That is something that's on the table. The door closes by itself. Yes! I love the carpet on this. Oh man, I think I'm very dirty. It has to kill me. But I like the carpet on this. I think it's like lamb's wool or something like that. I can't remember. It's like super fluffy.
So fluffy, I'm gonna die!
This speaker grill is so nice. Look at that shimmer. I don't think I've ever like gotten this excited over a speaker grill before. Old school analog clock, because you know, technology. I saw a Rolls Royce documentary about how when they do the wood paneling, both sides are a mirror reflection of one another. Instead of just being like random pieces of wood they just pick out, they're actual like the other side of each other, so it's always symmetrical, so it's pretty cool. Oh, is this umbrella? Cool. I love how the umbrella is on. Oh, that is so cool. Sick. So creative, so thoughtful. So more on this project when we actually get going with it. Not sure what we're planning to do yet, besides the basics like Clearbra, Tint, things like that, and paint correction. Wheels and body kits, that's still to be decided. But we'll keep you guys updated when we get that going. So we have a Tesla Model 3 and a brand new one, as you guys can see. A little bit of an issue with it. Not sure what happened here, but the client, he must have hit something. So we're gonna try to polish it and see how much better we can make it. But either way, we're gonna be doing a photo sync tint on this Model 3 on all the windows, sides, back, front windshield, sunroof. Will, do you think you can really fix that, man?
I hope so.
What is your confidence level in fixing this?
Very little.
We've done a quick polish now, and it looks lighter. Certain parts of it have faded, like this area up here. You usually have a line from here to here, but now this part is gone, so it is a lot lighter. So we got the sides done on the Tesla Model 3, looking good. So this is what PhotoSync 30 looks like. Darker than factory, of course. Best part is you're still within the legal limits in Texas. So the reason why we do PhotoSync 30 is because with 30% being in Texas, when you put a 30% film on a glass, usually they'll drop it down to about a little above 25 or about 25% mark. And in Texas, the front two windows have to be 25% or lighter. A lot of people think that if you go with a 25% film and you put that on a pure regular glass, it'll read 25%. However, that's not always the case because glass isn't 100% clear. So you have to factor that in, which is why we do 30. And just to show you guys that, we'll do a little tint demo. So right now, as you guys can see, the tint meter is reading 27%. So this is PhotoSync 30 on the front passenger glass on the Model 3. And as you guys can see, it's reading 27% instead of reading 30. So the number comes down to be a little bit darker than 30. If we were to put a 25% film on this glass, we're going to be below 25. It's probably going to be like 23, 24, maybe even 22. That would definitely be illegal, at least in Texas. So the passenger quarter panel on the Bugatti is finally done. Looks great. You can't even tell it's on there. Even the doors are done here too, as you guys saw last week. So move on to the driver's side, and we still have this whole back side to do. So we're getting the driver's side quarter panel prep now. Wiping it, cleaning, clay barring, and just getting any debris that we can't out of the carbon fiber. This is probably one of the hardest pieces on the car. This engine bay area. There's so many curves, man. Guys, can you guys see how many curves there are? It goes up, it goes down. Ears. So we have the Rolls Royce now in the wash bay. We're getting ready to wash it, and then we're actually gonna be starting the paint correction on this pretty soon. So the car came to us in pretty much of a good condition. Only thing is there are some scratches you guys see here, like this line here, and there's a couple over here. So we're gonna try to get rid of those, which is why we're doing a paint correction. So I will show you how that comes out when the time comes.
First, they're waterproof. The waterproof shoes, I don't feel any water in them.
Wow! Wow!
What? Dude! Dude, it's gone!
You ready for this? We're gonna high five.
There's a lot of clear on this car.
Okay, so they put fillers in the car. It's a dealer's trick to make the car look its best.
So what filler is, and what Will's talking about is, filler is something that dealerships put on the paint of a car. It hides a lot of the scratches and swirl marks that are on the paint. Basically all the defects, it hides all of that. They do this especially for the cars in the showroom, so when the light hits it, it looks amazing. But after you buy the car and you wash it for the first time, the filler all disappears, and then your actual paint shows up. And that's when you see all the scratches and swirl marks.
We didn't see that before.
We didn't see any of it.
Badass paint, dude. Look how nice it is. So this is called Diamond Black. It's got lots of pearlescent. Is it pearls or is it metallics?
More metallic. Look how dramatic that is. It's not even done.
See? Do it.
It's not even done.
Yeah.
Yeah, the right side has a lot of hologram marks and the left side doesn't. Alright guys, so we're gonna keep on working on the cars and keep on working the Rolls and the Bugatti. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you, down here for our newest video, and if you're to subscribe, I'll see you guys next time. Sing it, Dustin. You look about to take a bro.
Yeah. Feel like it.